I'll guide you through how to create a new Apple ID without using an email address that's already connected to an existing account. If you're looking to set up a brand new iPhone or Mac, or you want to separate your personal data from a family member's ID, and so you need to create a completely fresh Apple ID, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. We'll cover 3 methods: using a browser, via the App Store, and using the Settings app on iPhone or iPad. Let's kick off with the most universal method by using a web browser, which works on any device, Apple or not. Open any web browser and go to the Apple ID website at appleid.apple.com. This is the central hub for managing your account. Click the Create Your Apple ID link or button, usually found at the top of the page. Input your first name, last name, and date of birth. This helps Apple customize services for you and is crucial for account recovery. For your Apple ID username, you can use any existing email you own, like Gmail or Outlook, as long as it hasn't been used before. Then create a strong password using a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols. Enter a phone number you currently have access to and choose how you want to receive verification codes, via text message or phone call. This step enables two-factor authentication, or 2FA, which is automatically required for new IDs to keep your data secure. You'll immediately receive a verification code in your email and a separate code on your phone. Enter the codes into the browser to confirm your identity and complete the new Apple ID. Next, let's examine creating an Apple ID via the App Store. If you try to download an app and realize you aren't signed in, this is useful. Open the App Store and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Create New Apple Account. The App Store will guide you through the same sequence of steps as the settings method: personal info, email selection, password creation, and phone number verification. Just follow the steps and complete the account creation. Now let's see how to create an Apple ID using the Settings app on iPhone or iPad. If you're setting up a new device, this is the quickest way. Go to the Settings app and tap on Sign in to your device type. When prompted for your email, tap the link that says Don't have an Apple ID or Forgot it, and then select Create a free Apple ID. Apple will allow you to create a new iCloud email address exclusively for you. Now that you've learned how to create a brand new Apple ID account, please consider subscribing to the channel. Check the description below for more Apple ID information. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone and Mac video tutorials. Thanks for watching.